Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish blog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share the upcoming Coach outlet drop at the end of the month. I will be sharing prices and SKU guys once I have them available. So please comment below which one is your favorite among these new releases. Happy shopping everyone! So the very first one that we are going to discuss, so this is not the official name, but it is like the Coach Gingham Collection. First, we have the Nolita 19. So this one, as we could see, the material is in gingham print or in check pattern in colorway white and blue. So this of course would come with the cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather straps, so you could turn this Nolita into a wristlet as well. And what I love about this is it comes with a teeny tiny cherry bag charm, and of course the hardware is in brass stone. So next on the collection is we have the very beautiful CHERRY shoulder bag. So this is a little bit bigger compared to the Nolita 19. So this is perfect for a quick getaway or maybe even a night out, still from the Gingham collection. So the materials in the gingham print or in the check pattern in the colorway white and blue. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather straps here. So as you can see, leather strap for shoulder style, then of course a longer one, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. It would still come with a very cute teeny tiny cherry bag charm. Then next guys, we have an SLG. So we have the Skinny ID Mini. So this one, as you can see, so the still part of the Gingham collection, and of course it would come with the same gingham print or in the check pattern in the white and blue colorway. It would come of course with cowhide leather trims, and the colorway is like in the light blue color as well. Then of course it would come in the brass stone hardware. By the way guys, this collection would be launching June 24th this month, so please take note of that one. So next on the Gingham collection, we have the card holder. How cute is this very beautiful card holder with the same colorway? So it would have also the same material. Then of course here is the close-up view of the card holder, as you could see. So you could attach this one as a bag charm. Then of course it would also come with the teeny tiny cherry charm. So this is the metal logo. So these metal logo are predominant on the Coach outlet drops or Coach outlet designs. So I love of course the check pattern, very spring summer in my opinion. So of course next on the collection, so if you want an all leather piece SLG, then check out the wristlet with heart pouch. You are hearing me right correctly guys. So normally in LV's world, so this is going to be sold separately, but for Coach outlet, so you could get this one for the price of one. So of course it would come with the leather smaller pouch, and then of course it would come with the heart pouch, and you could wear this one as a wristlet. And as we can see, it comes with the teeny tiny cherry bag charm. Super cute. Next on the collection, this one guys is a definite yes for me. So we have the CHERRY mini shoulder bag. So this is the closer view. So the Coach Gingham collection material is cowhide leather in blue, and of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with brass stone hardware. It would come of course with a teeny tiny cherry charm. So this is super cute, perfect for everyday. I love of course that you could wear this one as a shoulder bag, and I believe this one could function and house our stuff really well. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! So the next collection that we are going to discuss that will be launching June 24th, we have the Coach Cherry Collection. So first guys, we have the Nolita 19. So by the way guys, reminding everyone that these are just teasers and previews. So once I have more information on the up and coming collection of the Coach outlet drop, definitely I would be sharing to you and would be creating a separate vlog. So the Nolita 19, so the material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims with the cherry print. As you can see, super loud that one. Then of course the strap, you can detach one side and turn it into a wristlet. Then of course, we have the terry shoulder bag. So for me guys, definitely I will be choosing the terry shoulder bag. But of course, if you want something smaller, maybe even as a catch-all, then you could go for the Nolita 19. So this one would really function as a bag or as a shoulder bag, even as a crossbody, because as you can see, it comes with two straps as mentioned earlier. So you could wear this one as a shoulder bag and even as a crossbody because it comes with two leather straps that are fully detachable. Very functional, and I love that Coach is giving us everything here. So next on the collection, so we have the wristlet with heart pouch. So just same with the earlier, but this time in the cherry print. So of course, materials cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims with cherry print design. I actually among the two, to be honest, of course I'm drawn more to the cherries design because of course I love the combination of white. Then of course we have the classic Coach cherry. I feel this one is a signature of Coach, so definitely a must-have for any Coach lovers and Coach collector out there. So next on the Cherries collection, we have another SLG. So we have the corner zip wallet, size medium. So still from the Coach Cherry collection, material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims with the cherry print. And as you can see, it comes with chain straps. So I believe you could wear this one as a wristlet. Then of course, it is in the brass stone hardware. So this is the closer view of the wristlet. As you can see, it comes with a clasp. So definitely you could detach maybe one side, maybe wear it. I'm not really sure guys, but maybe there's a functionality in here. Aside from wearing it as a wristlet, maybe you could wear it as a necklace or even as a crossbody. Then we have another skinny ID mini, part of the SLG from the Coach Cherry collection that will be launching June 24th, 2026. Of course, it would come with the same material, cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims with the cherry print. Super cute. Love the cherry collection. So do you think guys they're giving a run, Louis Vuitton a run for their money with their cherry collection as well? What do you think? Happy shopping! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!